Hey guys, what's up? Hope everyone's doing just fine. My name is Winston and welcome to my channel. It's been about 9 months since I started my YouTube journey, and since the beginning I've been using just two gadgets to record all of my videos. The first one is the iPhone 11, which I've been using as my main camera, and then I've been using the SJ6 Legend to mount on my helmet as my main action camera. But now, finally, after 9 months, I've decided it's time for an upgrade, and hence the GoPro Hero9 Black. As a vlogger, one of the main shots that we take is the front facing shot. With the SJ6 action camera, it does not have a front display, so most of the times I don't really know if my face is in the frame. And then we have the iPhone. Even though it has a front display, I don't really use it because the back camera is way better than the front camera. And hence, finally, there's one action camera that came out recently with a front display. That's the GoPro Hero9 Black. So without wasting any time, let's get unboxing. The GoPro Hero9 comes with a 20 megapixel camera. You can record at 5K with 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second, which gives you those perfect cinematic shots. It's a completely waterproof camera. You don't need an external case. You can go underwater up to 10 meters. You can also use it for 1080p live streaming. Additionally, we've got voice control. You've got 8 times slow motion. We've got time warp. And we can also capture images in RAW. It can also be used as a webcam. And now for the unboxing. Unlike the previous models which were plastic, the GoPro comes in a very beautiful case. It's made of fabric and it's completely sturdy. It's almost like a mini suitcase for your action camera. For the inside, we've got the usual paperwork. We've got the subscription card. We've got the GoPro sticker. So we've got 1, 2, 3 stickers, and then we've got some instructions on how to mount it on your helmet. And then we've got the usual legal paperwork with. And on the inside, we've got the USB-C type cable. We've got 2 mounts. One is a curved mount, which you can use on your helmet or any curved surfaces. And then we've got another mount as well. We've got one thumb screw. We've got one battery, which is way better. It's bigger and better than the previous models. This means it's longer lasting than the previous ones. And finally guys, the GoPro Hero9 itself. It comes wrapped in this paper case, which we don't need. Judging from the previous models, this GoPro is a little heavier and a little larger. It's got the GoPro branding at the bottom and it's got the 9 Black branding on the side. Unlike the previous GoPros, this lens cap can be separated. The good thing about this feature is in case the lens cap breaks, you can always replace just the lens cap and not the whole GoPro itself. It's got these 2 mounting points at the bottom, which means you don't need to buy an extra case just to mount it onto an object. It's got 2 screens, one in the front and one at the back. There's a small panel in here which cannot be removed. This is the water drain. To the side, we've got the panel where we would install the SD card and the battery. And I would suggest going in for the SanDisk 128GB card. The battery goes in with the name up front. In the beginning, there's the general user setup where you input the date and accept the terms and conditions. Once you're done with all the startup, you can just jump into the GoPro right away. So I'm not going to go in depth, but just to give you an idea, it's got the video mode. You swipe, you get the photo mode. And then we've got the time lapse and the time warp. Let's go back to the video mode, which we would generally use. So at the bottom, you've got the quick modes in here. So we've got the standard, which is 1080p, 60 and wide. Click on it, it gives you other options as well. So you've got cinematic option which records in 4K. We've got slow-mo. You also have the option to pre-set up. So just click on the button. input the modes that you would want and preset it, and you can use it whenever you want. I won't be going in depth into the GoPro as of today. I'll do that for another video. For now, that's about the GoPro, guys. I hope you liked the video and this gives you an idea of what the GoPro 9 looks like. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe on your way out, guys, because even a single subscribe helps us a lot. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one.